Hi there, my name is Sarah Sink, and I'm your Pharma Girl. Before a new drug or medical treatment can reach patients, it must go through a series of rigorous testing phases. Phase 2 clinical trials are a critical step in the development of new medical treatments and therapies. In this video, I'll delve into what Phase 2 clinical trials are and what they consist of. Phase 2 clinical trials represent a crucial middle step where the safety and effectiveness of treatments are further evaluated. Phase 2 trials aim to firstly assess safety to ensure that the treatment is safe for patients. Secondly, to explore efficacy to determine whether the treatment is effective against the targeted condition. And thirdly, refine dosage to find the optimal dosage for effectiveness and minimal side effects. Phase 2 trials typically involve a relatively small group of participants, often numbering between 100 and 300. The study design is usually randomized and controlled, meaning some participants receive the experimental treatment, while others receive a placebo or an existing standard of care. This design helps researchers draw meaningful comparisons. Phase 2 trials can last from several months to a few years, depending on the complexity of the treatment and the condition being studied. The duration allows researchers to observe the treatment's effects over time. During the trial, researchers collect a wealth of data, including 1. Clinical outcomes. These are measurements related to the treatment's effect on the disease, such as tumor size reduction or changes in disease symptoms. 2. Adverse events. Any side effects or adverse reactions to the treatment are closely monitored. 3. Laboratory tests. Blood, urine, and other samples are analyzed to gauge biochemical changes. And 4. Quality of life. Researchers assess the impact of the treatment on the patient's overall well-being. The data collected is meticulously analyzed using statistical methods to determine if the experimental treatment shows promising results. This analysis helps researchers decide whether to proceed to the next phase, Phase 3, or not. One unique aspect of Phase 2 trials is their adaptability. If promising results emerge during the trial, researchers may make adjustments, such as expanding the study group or modifying the dosage. Though, if safety concerns arise, they can discontinue the trial. Phase 2 trials are a collaborative effort involving scientists, clinicians, and regulatory agencies. The data generated from these trials form a critical part of the regulatory submission for the treatment's approval. Throughout the process, ethical principles and patient safety are paramount. All participants are carefully informed about the risks and benefits, and their informed consent is always required. So, Phase 2 clinical trials are a pivotal step in the journey of a new medical treatment from the lab to the patient. They provide critical insights into the treatment's safety and efficacy, helping us move closer to improved healthcare options. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm always here to connect, so please feel free to reach out to me at any time. I would be absolutely delighted to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content from me, your Pharma Girl. Thank you and have a great day.